Hi, my name is Modesto Garibay, and this is my presentation on music and its cultural importance. What is music and why is it important? Music is a time capsule, a form of teaching language from songs to repetition, a form of celebration from parades, events, a connection towards others, friends, family, events like concerts, anthems, sports, celebrations, weddings, and personal identity. What influences us to listen and what we like and our interests. And it's a necessity for life, you know. You can't go a day without listening to music, and it's inescapable whether you like it or not. Music is a time capsule. Religion, there could be music that your religion listens to, churches, all kinds of music, and it goes on from generations to generations. Culture, we might have music that's based off of our culture that we listen to, our parents show us, and our family history. Maybe there's music that our family likes, our mothers, fathers, and they start to show us that kind of music. And whenever you listen to a song, there's a treasured moment, whether it be bad or good. When you listen to that song, you remember the first time you ever listened to it. There's memories attached to it. Music is a solid ground for learning language. You could learn all kinds of music by memory, whether it be Spanish, English, any language. It's based off of repetition, listening to it often, you start to learn the words, and then maybe you start to learn what they really mean. Our parents could have sang us songs when we were little, you know, making us remember all kinds of phrases, words, and it could make us bilingual. We start to learn different kinds of languages by listening to different kinds of music. Music is how we celebrate. There's never a place where you don't go and there's a celebration that doesn't have music, such as parades, events, and holidays. Getting together, there's always has to be music in the background or music that we all like to listen to, especially in parties. Parties and weddings, walking down the aisle with traditional music. What is music and how does it connect us? Well, when we all gather together, there has to be music in the background or music that we all love equally. It could be live performances such as concerts. Everyone that's there loves the same artist. And special events, like I said, weddings, con- concerts, gatherings, and our friends. Friends could show us what kinds of music they like, and then we start to catch on to it. Music, like I said, is inescapable. You can't go without it. There's anthems such as sport events, national events. There's always a specific song that's being played. Commercials, where there's an ad break, there's always some background music that makes it repetitive to the point where you remember the commercial. Stores and malls, while you're out there shopping, looking for clothes, food, there's always music within the stores. And music is what makes us who we are. Our personality is based off of what we listen to. It could be our transitions, from one phase to another. We start to listen to different kinds of music, starts to transition us as a person. And it could be our own self-interest. Maybe there's some stuff that we listen to that other people might not like, but we seem to love. And it's our cultural identity. I go off of people based off of what the music they listen to. And especially music is a necessity for daily life. I can't go a day without listening to music. Whether it be going to school, always listening to music, sports, work, and especially at the gym. I hate the music at the gym. I know you do too. I can't go without music of my own. And that concludes my presentation on music and its cultural identity. Like I said, silence is a rarity, music is inescapable. Here is a song that I like personally. You can listen to the rest of it on your own. But I personally love it. It's an old one. Um, and thank you.